Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Art of Mathematica. See, as I told you that in this worksheet, that is worksheet 4, question number 6 left over there, and I have told you I am going to try something new. So I am going to solve it on digital whiteboard, and I hope you like this. So I want your feedback, please. After watching the video, please give me your feedback, because whenever I have done the question number 5, no, that time I have told you that क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 जो है, इसमें क्या है ना, मैं जब ऑनलाइन क्लास में बच्चों को पढ़ाया है ना, तो उन लोगों को थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम फेस हुआ, मैंने नोटिस करा। तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो पिक्चर दे के कुछ अलग करने की कोशिश किया, इधर मतलब कुछ बेटर करने की कोशिश करा। तो चलो फिर देखते हैं तुम लोगों को कैसा लगता है। सो लेट्स सी। Hello everyone. See, as I have told you, I am going to do it differently. So here it is that actually whenever I have done this sum in the whiteboard only, the students can't understand. So I thought I should make a picture and explain you. So let me read the question first, then I'll explain, then I'm going to solve it. Okay. The foot of a ladder is 6 meters away from a wall, and its top reaches window 8 meters above the ground. If the ladder is shifted in such a way that its foot is 8 meters away from the wall, to what height does the top reaches? Meaning, here is a wall, this is a wall. Okay, now one thing has been given, that there is a window. This is a window. Okay. Is that okay? And similarly, same length here. This is a window. Okay, same wall. This is the first case or first picture, and that one is the second case, means second picture. Okay. So what did I say? That here is a window, same window position cannot be changed. Now what I have done, that there is a ladder, just we shifted the ladder and it's looking like this, it's down, comes down here, so it's down, then now this is the position of the ladder. Is that okay? So they have asked, first of all, what has been given, let me tell you. The foot of a ladder is 6 meters away from a wall. For the first case it is told. So this should be 6 meters. Okay. This one 6 meters. And its top reaches a window 8 meters above the ground. So this is the ground and this is the window. So this is the length, that is 8 meters. Or rather I can say, so that means this is the window, that is 8 meters. So this length should be 8 meters. Okay, this length, and this is 6 meters. Is that okay, everyone? This one is 6 meters and this one is 8 meters. So could you find the length of the ladder? See, imagine this is the height, Pythagoras theorem. No, there is 6. I am drawing this figure separately. There is 8 and this is the ladder. Can you see that? This is the ladder. You can see. So this figure I have drawn here, rough figure. So 6, this is 8, and this is the right angle triangle, no, here. So that means this one is the hypotenuse opposite to the 90 degree. So what is the value of this one? By Pythagoras theorem we can find this is 8. You can check it. See, I'm just explaining you rough work. I'm going to do the rough work, then I'm going to write the statement and solve the sum. So length of the ladder is what? 10 meters. By doing this using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that this is 10 centimeters. So length of the ladder will be 10 centimeters. That you don't know, but after using Pythagoras theorem you can find it. Now tell me, just one thing. This is the case 2, second picture. After some minutes, what someone has done, that simply shifting the ladder like this. It is comes down. This is the window, this is the place, and it comes down like this. So next picture is the next case. Okay, that is what? This one. This one is the position of the ladder. Now this is the previous position, now this is the present position. Okay, so length of the ladder will change or not? Yes or no, you tell me. No, it shouldn't be changed. So that means this is again 10 meter. Is that okay? Because this is 10 meter means this should be 10 meter. Why? Because same ladder, just what I have done, shifting it. Now what they have told, if the ladder is shifted in such a way that its foot is 8 meter away from the wall. So this is the wall and this is the foot of the ladder. So this is 8 meter. Understood na? Previously what it is? Previously what? That is 6 and now it is 8 meter. Shall I repeat that? Okay. So now listen it carefully, huh? Now listen it carefully, huh? That this is 8 meter, this is 10 meter. What they have told to us that to what height does its top reaches, means this height only you have to find. Is that okay? This height only you have to find. That means this one. So again it is a right angle triangle. See, now the position is like this. Okay, this is the position. Present position is this. Okay, so what to do? Simply this is right angle hour. So this given 10 and that one 8. So this one you have to find. Can you find it? Definitely by Pythagoras theorem. It is hypotenuse square, and that one if you don't know, this is x square. Acha chalo, I am going to do here. So with this triangle, if I write 10 is the hypotenuse, this one I am taking x. So 8 square plus x square equals to 10 square, no, hypotenuse square. From the other two sides square equals to hypotenuse square. So x square equals to 10 square would be 100. Now 8 square is what? 64. If you transpose to right side, it would be minus 64. That means 36. So x square gives 36. X equals to what? Equals 36 equals to 6. So this is 6. Our answer is 6. 6 is our answer. Is that okay? So now I am going to write the statement. I am solving it. I think you all understood this. Again, listen one more time. In a short, I am going to explain. This is case 1. This is case 2. Case 1, it is told there is a window. Same figure, same picture. Just position of the ladder has been changed. Okay. So first it is told 8 meter down, and means from the wall. That it is told that the foot of the ladder is 6 meter away from the wall. Okay, 6 meter away from the wall, and this is this one 8 meter. The top reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. 8 meter above the ground means this is 8 meter, and 6 meter away from the wall means that is 6 meter. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find it a hypotenuse length, that is 8 square 6 square equals to what? 64. So this one A. Chalo, here I am going to do it. A, B, C. You have to find AC. So AC square equals to hypotenuse square equals to this now. So AC equals to what? Root over of this 36, that is root 100, that is 10. Okay. So after that, what to do? That I have shifted the ladder and it comes down. So now it is told that from the ground, foot of the wall, it's away from the wall. Actually, rather I can say that is 8 meter, and length of the ladder already given, means you have found that is 10. So this should be also 10. Okay. Now this one you have to find. Again, use the Pythagoras theorem, you will get it. I hope you all understood. Okay. So now I am going to write the statement and going to solve the sum. As I have told you earlier that here I am going to write the statement and going to solve the sum. Already I have solved previously, but here I am going to write all the statement and going to solve the sum. You can see I have drawn two type of triangle. Both are right angle triangle. just this picture represent this triangle and this picture represent this triangle. So this is case 2. This is case 1. Acha, wait. This is case 1 and that one case 2. Okay. So for case 1, AC is the length of the ladder. So we are going to write let the length of the ladder equals to, or BAC equals to PQ. For this case 2 picture, this is PQ. Both are ladders. See, this is the PQR if I write, and that is A, B, C. That figure only I have drawn. This one. So PQ equals to here AB. No. So length of the ladder means both are representing length of the ladder. So okay. So now for this case, it is given. This is 6 centimeter, meter, 6 meter, and that one is 8 meter. That has been given. Okay. So what to write, and without writing this means figure only, you also can do it. So that time you have to do it directly. That length of the ladder be this directly by Pythagoras theorem. So I am going to do it using triangle. So now foot distance between here it is told that the foot of a ladder is 6 meter away from a wall. Okay, now that I am going to write. So BC is what? BC is 6 meter according to the question it is given. Now and AB given 8 meter. Why? It is told its top reaches window 8 meter above the ground. 8 meter above the ground. So this is the ground level. This is the 8 meter. So this is 8. So by Pythagoras theorem we can do it. Now it is a right angle triangle because 90 degree B is the 90 degree angle. So in triangle ABC, what I can do, that find the value of AC. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. So AB given 6 meter, 8 meters, so 8 square. BC given 6 meters, 6 square. Now equals to 64 plus 36 equals to 100. So AC square, here is also I can write AC square. Therefore AC square equals to what? 100, or rather I can say 10 100. So AC equals to what I can write? Root over 100, that is 10. Square root of 100 means 10 square means what? 10 into 10 na? That gives 100. So root over 100 gives root over 10 into 10. दोनों के जगह में एक बाहर आएगा, एक 10. दो के जगह में एक 10 बाहर आएगा. इसको तुम लोग 8 में और भी अच्छे से पढ़ोगे. Okay. So now AC length is what? 10 meter. So length of the ladder is what? 10 meter. Okay, so this is also 10 meter. So therefore here I can write, therefore PQ equals to what? AC equals to 10 meter, as I have told you. So this should be, now I am going to change the color. This should be 10 meter. Now some more information has been given. Let us check. If the ladder is shifted such a way, shifted means it comes down, its foot is 8 meter away from the wall. 8 meter away from the wall. That means this is the foot 8 meter away. That means this is 8 meter. Okay. So this length PQ I have to find. So again it is a Pythagoras theorem we can apply. Here I can write by Pythagoras theorem. So again I am going to do the same process, same method. So let me drop this one. So next answer I am going to write here. Next again in triangle PQR and PQR what is given, that QR is given 8 meter. Now only you have done the PQ given 10 meter. So by Pythagoras theorem, what I can write, that PQ, now tell me, this is 90 degree, is opposite side is what? Hypotenuse. So PQ square, hypotenuse square equals to what? Sum of the other two sides square, that means PR square plus QR square, this one and this one. So PR length I have to find. Can I take this as a x? Chalo, let us take this is x. Okay, this one given question mark, na? This is x, I am taking x meter. So what I can write, by Pythagoras theorem we can put the value that PQ is what? 10 meter. So 10 square equals to, now PR I don't know, that is I am taking x here. So x square plus QR is what? 8. So 8 square. Now I have to find the value of x, no? First calculate it. This is 100 equals to x square equals to 64. I'm going to do here. Implies after this is the step. X square plus 64 equals to 100. Can I write? I just interchange their place. This I am writing in the left side. So tell me student, if I said x equals to y, so someone say na y equals to x, why not? You say sir x value equals to y value, someone can say sir y value equals to x value, both the same meaning taking, no? So 100 equals to this, someone can say that this equals to 100, means listen it again. See, someone can say that left hand side equals to right hand side, so I can say also right hand side equals to left hand side, why not? Okay na? So that I have done only here. X square equals to 100 to hai. Now if you transpose to this side, sign will be changed, that is minus 64, plus will be minus. Okay, implies x equals, now this is 36 and x square over there, so x equals to what? Root over 36. Now only I have done here. See, AC square equals to 100, so AC equals to what? Root over 100 equals to 6, because you all know 6 into 6 gives what? 36. So root over 36 means 6 into 6. दोनों के जगह पे कितना आएगा? 8. Okay, so 6 is the answer. So we can write now what they have asked. It top reaches 6 meter above the ground. Okay, this is the answer. I hope you all understood. If you understood now, see बच्चों, I have tried a different thing so that you can understand. मैंने सोचा कि देखो ये अगर बोर्ड में व्हाइट बोर्ड में कराऊंगा ना तुम लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि मैंने कहा भी था क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में जब कराया कि तुम लोगों को कि ये क्वेश्चन मैंने जब बोर्ड में व्हाइट बोर्ड में कराया ना उन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि चलो एक पिक यूज करके पिक्चर यूज करके दो जो केस बन रहा है इधर मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन करूँ, केस 1 दिस केस 2। तो मैंने इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी अच्छे से करा, अब स्टेटमेंट लिख के भी मैंने अच्छे से करा और कैलकुलेशन भी तुमको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है यहाँ पे ये सब कैसे हुआ। तो आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड। इफ यू अंडरस्टूड प्लीज लाइक करो, शेयर करो।
सो आई होप ये जो मेरा कोशिश था ये तुम लोगों को अच्छा लगा। तो अगर अच्छा लगा एक बार कमेंट कर दो कमेंट बॉक्स में, मुझे बताओ कैसा लगा। और देखो मुझे लग रहा है कि इस सम को एक्सप्लेन करने के बाद मुझे ये लगा कि मैं इससे क्लास में और बेटर तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ जनरली, ये मेरा फीलिंग्स है। तो फिर भी मैंने कुछ किया, अच्छा ही किया ये मुझे लग रहा है। तो तुम लोगों का फीलिंग्स भी मुझे शेयर करो। सो तब तक के लिए ऑल ऑफ यू टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय।